Good morning! Good morning naman dyan! Good morning naman dyan ang baby! Hi! How's your sleep? How's your sleep? Yeah, good morning. Show me happy face! Show me! Show me happy face! Ah. Ding 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 na. Good morning everybody! Hi guys! They're cleaning the kids room guys, and last night it's
I don't know what is
dumating yung
this.
IKEA delivery, dumating yung IKEA. Ano ba yung in-order natin sa IKEA? IKEA na hindi in-order na binili namin yung sofa tsaka yung shelf.
Dineliver.
Dumating na siya pero ang pangit ng experience namin sa IKEA guys.
Oh, my house!
Kasi guys, supposedly na ang IKEA delivery, pero hindi yun kasalanan ng IKEA, kasalanan ng company na magdi-deliver kasi supposedly dadating siya last week Saturday. Pero dumating siya kagabi lang kasi nga hindi nagkaintindihan or ewan ko ba kung anong ginawa nila. So last night dumating siya at hindi kompleto guys yung ano ba yun? Yung carpet namin hindi nasali kaya yun. Aantayin na naman namin ilang napaka-hassle guys pag delivery siya. Kaya at 75 euros yung binayara namin. Mahal siya tsaka mura nga sa IKEA pero pag ganun kasi malalaki yung binili mo like sofa, hindi mo yun kayang dalhin no pauwi. Kaya kailangan mo ipa-deliver pero ang pangit kasi ng company siguro yung company nang nagde-deliver yun yung ang problema kasi hindi sila updated at hindi sila easy to easy to contact. So ayun. So, nag-aantay na naman kami para sa carpet kasi hindi nila nasama. Pero, na-build na nila na ni Frank yung shelf. Andito siya guys. Oh, wait. I'll show you. Ayan siya guys. Si Ella at si Frank ang nag-build niyan. Here's Frank. They're cleaning the kids room again guys because ang kalat hindi pa natapos. Ayun.
So much rubbish all over the place.
So much rubbish.
You probably can relate to that.
Yeah. Pero pag may kids guys, ganyan talaga. Yun guys na yung shelf na, how much is this again?
Oy, I don't know. Here's the
Yeah, but
price.
it's in the receipt. I already said that. Yan. So, ayun yung kids room, yung sleeper ko. Si Ella. Ayun. Magulo pa din. Pero matatapos din to. So, ayan guys. So, I already told that in the receipt.
Yeah, the
I just
shelf
forget
is,
na. How much? Tagal. It's not, I think it's 59 Calax Regal. Yeah,
Yeah,
60 euro, 59.99, 60 euro siya guys. So ayun siya. Andiyan siya, lalagyan ng mga boxes sa toys. Kasi ang kalat dito guys. At saka ngayon, ibibuild naman namin, ibibuild namin yung sofa. Kasi meron sana sa IKEA guys na sila yung mag-build. Kaso, ang bayad niya, ay hindi ang problema ang bayad kasi mura lang, 20 something lang ang bayad. Ang problema niya guys, wala silang malayo pa yung schedule ng appointment para sa pag-build. Kaya kami na ang magbi-build, try namin mag-build. Mahirap i-build ang sofa pero let's see. So ayun, prepare na si Frank para mag-build. Naka-sale pala yun. Hindi. Was it on sale? No, it's the other one, na. Yeah, so ayun. By the way, guys, nasabi ko na ba, guys, na ang bedroom namin magiging living room, ang living room magiging bedroom namin. Kasi,
Should not play.
nasabi ko na yan na-explain ko na yan, guys, sa isang ibang vlog ko. Kasi, mas gusto ko yung ambiance sa living room. Kaya, ang bedroom, gagawin namin, ang bedroom namin gagawin naming living room. Kaya doon inaayos namin siya guys. Inaano namin lahat dito every room. Kasi ang bahay dito guys, hindi pareho sa hindi siya pareho sa ibang bahay na pagpasok mo, andun ang sala. Dito may pinto lahat guys. Ang living room may pinto, ang kusina may pinto, lahat may pinto. Kaya napag-decidean ko guys na ang living room gagawin kong bedroom para mas malaki. Though malaki din yung bedroom namin, pero mas gusto ko doon kasi ang bedroom namin guys, ang lamig talaga. Kahit may heater, ang lamig talaga, hindi ko maintindihan. Kaya doon na kami sa living room. So ayan guys. Si Frank guys, hindi dyan magkapuyo. Sige, kubi-kubi.
It's really sharp, huh?
Yeah.
Hello, it's nice here. Oh. You know what guys? Actually this bedroom, ito yung bedroom namin guys. May ano to siya guys. Oh. Nag-ano na sila guys. Gawa na lang sofa. May oh, yan di ba? Ay, hindi niya makita eh. Oh, may pa-lighting dyan guys kasi nandito yung mga makeup ko. Dito ako nagme-makeup before nung nagtatrabaho pa ako. Frame namin. Empty na to ngayon guys. Ayan, see? May lalabhan na lang dyan.
Of the picture
The-
from picture.
Ang gulo pa dito. Ang ano pa dito.
Ang
Yeah.
kalat.
So, ayun. Let's build it. Ready? 1, 2. Hands is on my pockets. It's nice the lighting here, wow. If at night time I need this light though.
So, go with your
I think
hand.
I
Yeah,
will
yeah,
transfer
yeah.
this. I think I will transfer this light to the bedroom.
Yeah, now you
Bedroom
can move
slash
your
living
hand
room. Lamig dito guys. Uy, pero heater off ngayon. So, normal. Pero kahit before, ang heater on, malamig. Malamig talaga dito. Busy sufang ko. Oh,
Ayun na ang instruction. Yay, I need this.
ayun.
No.
Ito.
Yay.
Ganda ang palighting ko guys. Sa Bauhaus ko to na, Bauhaus namin ito nabili for 30
Give me that one.
euros. So I think, I don't know if we can transfer this in your bedroom. like kung, yeah, may ganyan siya dyan.
You can put there
A blanket or whatever. If you have visitor, pwede mo siyang gawing
You
bed.
can hide all the yummy food in there that you don't want
So,
to share with your guests.
so ayun na siya guys. Yan ang sofa. So now, really,
Finally.
yeah,
That's why I sit here. It's actually-
yeah. So,
Where's the TV?
yeah, wait. Before I'm gonna... So, that's it guys. Ayun na siya. Oh, ang sofa ko. Sitting pretty na ang dalawa. Yun siya, sofa at saka pwede siyang bed. Ayun.
I will
Ang
sleep.
saya nila kasi...
I will
kasi-
sleep here now.
So, yun. It's nice guys, right?
It's okay for the price.
Yeah, it's good. Hindi pa to tapos yung living room, pero at least na-build na namin yung sofa. They build it together. So, that's it
So,
for tonight. It's actually already almost 10 now. So, say time for bye-bye. Guys, thank you for watching and
don't forget to subscribe and like and share.
don't forget to like and subscribe daw
Why
guys.
do you repeat that?
So, ayun na guys. Good night!